Greetings everyone. We are from Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Bhimavaram. Our team ID is 1237753. Our project name is Crop Protection and Establishment of E-Farmers Market. Nowadays, many people are affected by severe diseases which is caused due to over-consuming of pesticides. This occurs due to consuming of pesticides through our eatables. In order to overcome this, farmers must use pesticides in limit to produce the eatables. Another major problem we came across is the middleman interference between the farmers and the customers. Middleman buys the crop from the farmers at low cost and sells them in the market at high cost. So to overcome all these problems, we came up with a solution that is crop protection and establishment of e-farmers market. In this project, crop protection means that pesticide amount used by the farmers is monitored, so that farmers uses limited amount of pesticides. So crop is protected. By using a mobile application, we are establishing a direct communication between the farmers and the customers, so that farmer can sell his crop directly to the customer. This is the block diagram representation of our project. As we discussed earlier, when the farmer yields the crop of vegetables, the pesticide level in the vegetable has been detected by the pH sensor in the hardware. The cloud platform already have the defined pH levels for the vegetables. It compares the value of obtained pesticide levels to the defined levels. If both are matched, then it is updated in the mobile application, that is e-farmers, and displays it to the customer through the application itself. Then finally, the customer can approach the farmer to buy the vegetables. In this format, our project works.
The hardware part consists of a controller. To that controller, we are attaching two sensors, that is the soil sensor and the pH sensor, which tests the pesticide content present in the soil as well as the eatable. The hardware part is designed in such a way that the values obtained from these sensors are being updated and compared within the cloud, and then it gives the information whether the eatable is fit for consuming or not. Coming to the mobile application, the front end of the app is already designed as shown in the previous technical video. In the back end of the mobile application, we have already obtained the values obtained from these sensors to the mobile application by linking it to the cloud. The threshold values which are already present in the cloud are being compared with the values read by the sensors. Hence, the mobile application displays whether the eatable is fit for consumption or not.
Let us concentrate on the prototype of our project. As a part of our project, we have grown different types of plants to test the efficiency of our product practically. Come, let us see the plants now. This is how we have grown the plants. This is the mint plant. This is the tomato. And this is the coriander. Here we can see the brinjal plant. Now let's consider the hardware equipment. Here we can see a controller, an analog pH sensor kit, and a bunch of connecting wires connecting all these components. Let us now concentrate on the working. To calculate the pH of the soil, we have placed a pH sensor in the soil sample. Controller gets the values from the pH sensor and updates these values to the cloud. To monitor all these actions, a separate code is written to the controller. Here we can see the code written. Now let us see the output. Here the pH value of the soil sample is displayed. Now coming to the software part. First install the e-farmers market app. Then open the application. The home page will be displayed like this. You can either log in as a farmer or a customer. If a person logins as a farmer, this page will appear. Farmer can click on his details and can check whether his crop is fit for consumption or not. If a person logins as a customer, the page will be like this. Here all the available vegetables will be displayed. When customer selects the required vegetable, all the farmers' addresses who are cultivating that vegetable will be displayed. When the customer selects any one of his choice, the pH value of that particular crop will be displayed and concludes whether the eatable is fit for consumption or not.